How to naturally remove plaque and tartar from teeth. Plaque is really a sticky, soft film of bacteria that accumulates in your teeth, dental fillings, gums, tongue, dentures, and crowns. When multiple layers of plaque match minerals contained in your saliva, it hardens right into a white, chalky calcified substance known as tartar. It creates an atmosphere for that dental bacteria that feast upon sugars from what food you're eating. Plus, it forms acidity in this procedure that breaks lower your tooth enamel, resulting in dental tooth decay. Bacteria also produce toxins causing various periodontal problems. Several factors lead to plaque buildup, for example improper dental hygiene, bad brushing technique, poor diet, genetics, and insufficient professional care. Aloe vera. Slit an aloe vera leaf and extract the pulp. Rub the pulp on the teeth and gum line. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Make use of this remedy 2 times daily. Oil pulling. Swish 1 teaspoon of additional virgin coconut oil around inside your mouth for 1520 minutes. Spit it. Don't gargle by using it or swallow it. Brush the teeth as how. Repeat daily, each morning before eating any breakfast. Baking soda. Put a tiny bit of baking soda around the bristles of the wet toothbrush and brush the teeth by using it. Rinse the mouth area and teeth completely with warm water. Alternatively, combine 1 teaspoon of salt with 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Dip a dampened toothbrush within the mixture. Brush the teeth with this particular powder lightly. An alternative choice would be to combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda with sufficient hydrogen peroxide to create a paste. Use it to clean your gums and teeth, spit it and rinse the mouth area completely.